Hey, it's Lumiappaday, and this is Zero, a list making application. When you first start it up, you'll notice that there's actually nothing on the screen. Well, actually, you might see a tutorial that will show you how to use the app, because it's entirely gesture-based, which will need a little bit of learning. So, to create a title for your list, just swipe up or swipe down. Then a text box appears along with the keyboard. So I'll just type up name, call that test for now. If you wanted to edit it, just tap. If you wanted to delete it, we will swipe over to the left, but we won't delete this for now. And then to enter it, we will swipe over to the right. And you'll notice a text box automatically appeared, but if, in case you entered that list again, all you'd have to do is just swipe up. We shall just use numbers for now. 1, 2, 3, and either way works, swiping up or swiping down. 4. So we have a basic list there. As you saw, when I swiped down, it appeared from the top. Right. If you wanted to reorder this list, just pinch out, and you'll notice this little box appears. This is the handle by which you're gonna drag these items along, so just like so, you reorganize the list. And to get rid of that, pinch zoom out again, then it kind of thinks that you want to add more stuff to the list. To mark something as done, you're just gonna swipe over to the right, and you just saw that it moved down on its own, pushing up all the stuff that still needs to be done at the top. But if you've accidentally marked something as done and it's not done, just swipe to the right again. Then when it's done, you can leave it like that. To delete items that you've done, you can either tap 3 fingers on the screen and they will disappear, or you can just individually get rid of them, like so. And there you go, that's our usual interrupting email. Let me add a couple of things again. Cheese, banana, cake. And then actually, to go back, you can either press the back button or just pinch zoom. As you saw, it shrunk as we were pinching back into the main categories. That's the autocorrect for the keyboard is actually switched off for this. I'm not sure why. So let's add some items to house. Washing up liquid. And the reason we're gonna add those lists is because you'll see in the live tile, it tells you how many items you have to do, and then it tells you that you have done 0 items from 6 in 2 different categories, so that's pretty useful. And that will set it back up. Then you can delete the whole list if you want, just by swiping over that way, and then it'll ask you this category contains at least 1 element. That will prompt you whether if you want to delete it, because there might be a few things in your list and you might not wish to delete all of them. And then to settings, pinch zoom again, and from the setting you can set the reorder modes if you wish, set the tile counter, the developer details. This allows you to sign into SkyDrive to perhaps maybe back up your lists up on SkyDrive. Then you can watch a tutorial just in case you weren't exactly sure how to use this app, because I did need to check this about 2 times. And then you'll just listen out to what it's actually trying to say. So this is, as we said before, but I didn't demo it because it doesn't always work for me. Whoops. The sound of posters falling from my room. Let's enter that. Let's mark these as done. Then let's see what the live tile will say. See, it's updated immediately, telling you you've still got 2 things left. And then when that will flip around, it'll tell you you've done 3 items, and then you can just press back and that will automatically instantly go back. Back button also works to go back, but you of course have options to just completely use the screen if you wish. So thanks for watching. That was Zero, demoed on the Nokia Lumia 800.